So there it is. 4 seeking keys with my Korg Kronos LS. Open it up. Just be careful when open because there's a wire attached up here and go there, but I didn't manage to unplug it, so I didn't want to break something, so just took the keybed and flip it around like that. And yeah. So first step to remove a key, super easy. Just need to clip this and put like that. Oh, and come off. I have one end, so sorry. So yeah, try to temporarily like fix it by putting some tape, but let me show you the problem if I manage to remove this with one hand. Okay, see, this is the thing I put. See the hole? There's a little metal plate that like that's the key action. There is just a plate like that. No hammer, nothing, just a plate. And as you can see, it's pretty sharp. And it's going straight in the plastic like that. That's it. That's the mechanism. And in the long-term use, I don't know if you can see, it's like it's cutting the plastic. See? I will show you unbroken one. If you can manage to remove one. Yeah, like that. Oh, this one starts to have some issue also. So I need to fix this one as well. But if I take, for example, this one, if I can manage to remove it with, wait. Okay, sorry guys. So they I'll start to do the same shit, you know. Man, they all broke. What? Let's see. So start to dig in the plastic. This is shit. Like, I don't know what they were thinking, but putting a metal plate that sharp straight in the plastic. Like, dude. So what you should do, it's like find kind of filler, something like that, can fill the plastic gap that the metal plate did, and just like try to fix it. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna try to do now. I don't know how I'm gonna manage to do this. See, I opens. This one is easy. This one is the most. Let me remove the freaking tape I put. Like at first, it did that job, you know. But with time, as you saw here, the tape, like, dig into the tape, like this one. See the hole? So that's what it's doing in the plastic. So at some point, I think that all the keys gonna have this problem. At some point, you know, because it's already metal to plastic. This one is EV, you know. Fuck, look at that shit. Look at that shit. And so, because of this, the plastic, the metal plate is going more that way, so it become loose, so the key start to sink. Don't know if a good explanation, but yeah, that's the problem. Like I saw many people having this problem, they don't know what's going on, so that's what's going on. Yeah. So Korg, this is shit. Like, should at least like maybe put something plastic, or I don't know, something to protect the plastic there, because man, it's insane. I have this keyboard. I have this keyboard since only 5 months. Dude, come on. So but it's pretty easy to open. Maybe you can see the plastic particles on the metal plate right here. You can see. So come on, bitch. Okay. So yeah. Hope I answered some question. Yeah, this is shit. So guys, just open or if you have warranty, just change your keybed, because man, I tried to find some replacement keys for the LS and none of those on the internet. Like, maybe because it's a new keyboard, I don't know, but I didn't find any of these on the internet. Only like the Kronos 2, or you know, the keys like work on the M3, and I think on Chrome and all generation of Korg. It's all the same keys, but this one is using a different mechanism. So yeah, this one just press and the key is going out. It's very easy to remove. So hope you guys gonna manage to repair your keys or send it to Korg and just let them know what's going on. Okay, thank you.